It is whatever, day 2. I am going to go very close to where I'm staying, to the little village. There's a harbor that you can visit, and there's a small walk that you can do and stuff like that. And I also want to see if I can buy some stuff. I don't own a pair of shorts apparently, or I've given them away. And I don't want to hike in long jeans. The houses here are big, man. Imagine you live in the house behind me. Super nice. Everything, the balcony, and then you have this view. I don't know how much houses cost here, but I'm guessing it is not cheap. All these houses here with ocean view. If only I was rich. Okay, I found shorts and I'm much more acclimatized to this weather right now. Where the stairs that way. That was the tourist area, Puerto de Carmen. It was overrun with tourists, mostly old people. I guess it's the season. Yeah, not really my cup of tea. Bars were pretty full, people were really loud, and it's the typical tourist crowd that I try to avoid. Not a lot of young people here. So I have vegetated on that bench there for like an hour. I have taken in the sun. I have let my thoughts wander around. I think I'm gonna go do this Mirador del Rio. It is a bit further away, but I don't want to go home and vegetate at home. I prefer to do something fun. This is the barrier. I have to like hold on to the rail, and even then it's critical. Mirador del Rio done. It was very windy outside, so I couldn't really record myself speaking. It says 30 minutes to an hour that you spent there. I would say that that's only if you get a drink at the cafe. I spend 20 minutes here, and I think that's largely enough. You pay €8 to go see the view, and the view is like over a 50-meter stretch, so it's pretty much done. Like, you can also do it in 10 minutes if you want to. I think if you were to do this, I would probably combine it with another activity up north in the island, because otherwise if you've driven all this way for the viewpoint, which is 10 minutes, you're like, And I'm back home. Another wonderful day. I feel like this trip is already a big success because I noticed that I doubt myself a lot and I limit myself a lot. I don't know, there's just lots of things where I keep thinking like, why do I doubt myself? Why do I tell myself I can't do this? I just need to stop limiting myself and start listening to what I want to do and book it immediately. Life is short, guys. Just do what makes you happy and don't limit yourself. You can do everything. Just believe in yourself and go do it. Book it and pay the money, because I find that if I do that, it's way harder for me to chicken out. Because then it's already like, I'm committed. I have paid, they're expecting me. And I'm like, book a ticket, book a flight, go on that solo trip. Do it. No one's, you don't need permission from anyone. Just go do it. This is the message of vlog number 2. You can do anything, just do it. Book that solo trip, book that cruise, I don't know, book that tattoo, skydiving, pilot lesson, whatever it is that you want to do. Just go do it. You'll be fine. Confront your fears and you will know, you will thank me for it later. I'm ending this vlog here. Hope you enjoyed this episode. I will be back tomorrow with a new episode of the wonderfulness that is Lanzarote. See you tomorrow.